You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of a musical genre, a type of music. If you want to learn more music vocabulary, stay tuned. Hip hop is how it is pronounced in English. Hip hop. How to pronounce in English? The American English pronunciation is more as hip hop, or in British English, hip hop. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.